really excited to work with the Manitoba chicken producers as well as the processors.
Winnipeg Harvest is announcing a new partnership with Manitoba chicken industry to fill their protein needs, but they say they need more donations than ever to fill their food demand.
Again, giving them more of a well-balanced, nutritious kind of a process. We certainly throw in cookies and crackers if we have them, because those are good for kids too, in everything in moderation, but we try and really keep as much as possible nutritious for everyone that we provide.
Normally, Winnipeg Harvest relies on private food donations and larger deliveries from corporate grocery stores and partners. But since COVID-19 began, CEO Karen Taylor Hughes says those partners can't donate anything because they are trying to supply their own stores.
It's just, this whole system is just compromised and very slow and sluggish. But because people are buying so much, what typically we would get from the grocery stores, we're not receiving anymore.
Usually 68,000 families rely on the food bank every month. However, since the pandemic began, the number has now jumped to 90,000.
So we have to make sure, while it's front and center, that we raise as much as we can to be able to go the long haul with the folks that will need our support, not just today, but 6, 9, 12 months from now.
Wayne Hiltz is the executive director for Manitoba Chicken Producers. He says they'll be providing over 1,000 chickens per week to help Winnipeg Harvest with their protein needs for families who need it most.
So the farmers will be donating those chickens, and our processors are stepping up from processing that all as their donation, all on behalf of Winnipeg Harvest.
It's not out of an abundance of profit that we're doing this, okay? There's a lot of challenges being faced by the processing industry right now. It's despite those challenges now that we're doing this.
Although this program begins in July, Winnipeg Harvest will receive a delivery of 3,000 chickens Thursday to help meet the organization's food demands. Taylor Hughes says she's thankful.
You have no idea what this will mean to our families.
In Winnipeg, Alex Carpa, City News.